Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're here to learn how to edit on your iPhone, stay tuned. So right here you'll pick a clip that you want to edit, and you'll click an aspect ratio on this page and your background of any color that you choose. So in order to flip your video, you will have to click the resize button, which will then take you to this page, and you can flip it right, left, up, down, or any way that you choose. And in order to slide in and out, you can pinch and push your fingers outward or in. Here, this is where you'll go through the clip and see where you want to cut it at. And when you find out what you want to cut, you will click the split button, which will then appear a dot, and you'll click that, which will open up the transitions. The ones without the locks are the ones that you can use, and the ones with the locks are the ones that have to be paid in a package that is $8. And of course I like the ones that are in the locks, which means I'm definitely going to consider buying it. So right here, I'm just gonna go through all of them and see which ones I like. Also, don't forget to like the video. So that means share, click the like button, and click the bell. And don't forget to add my social media, my Instagram to your left and my Snapchat to your right. So I decided to stick with the slide one because that's the one that I don't have to pay for. So now I'm just playing with them. Do I know why? Absolutely not. I definitely forgot I was screen recording. After you have split the video and found the part that you want, you will click the resize button, which will then pop up in a screen, and you'll click the motion effect, which will then bring up 2. Now that that's done, you will then type in the text that you want. After placing your text, you can then click the font button, which will then change it into any font of your choice. And to change the color, you'll click style, which will then bring up options to change your font into any color, change the outline to any color, and put a shadow. Once you have cut the video and selected the size that you want, you will then click the resize button, which will open up to the motion effect. And then in the first scene, you'll pretty much leave it just like that. And the last scene, you will zoom it in as far as you want to make the scene appear like it's zoomed in. After selecting image, you can pick any image of your choice. Please ignore my pictures. But yeah, I'm gonna pick the dog one just to show you how you can insert it and resize it and all of that and just move it around. Once you have cut the clip into the part that you want the sound effect on, you would then click the audio button at the left corner. But I forgot, so I was just scrolling through them. But you would click sound effect, which would pop up all of the sound effects. And the one with the locks are the one that come with the package. And the ones that don't are the ones you can use.